There is this crazy and super easy niche for TikTok and YouTube that you can go viral within a short time. This niche is huge, so you won't have to worry about video ideas. Most importantly, this niche is monetizable on both platforms. If you're looking for a good, not competitive, and long-term niche, this is your chance. In the next few minutes, I will show you 3-step formula to start this niche. Starting with finding video ideas, gathering all elements such as videos, images, and sounds, and finally, a full editing tutorial. So, if you watch this video, you don't have to worry about anything. You just need to start today itself. Watch this video till the end. I will give you a hack to go viral on TikTok at the end. Enough with nonsense, and let me reveal this niche. I will call this niche Facts Niche. Let me explain. This niche is very broad. There are a lot of sub-niches within this. As an example, a country facts is a sub-niche. 3 mind-blowing facts about America, 3 crazy facts about Africa. Another one is sport facts. So just like this, you can convert anything into this facts niche. That's why this niche is good for long term. Let me show you an example video I created, then we can start the process.
3 crazy facts about American foods that will blow your mind. Number 1, did you know that the beloved apple pie, a symbol of American tradition, didn't actually originate in America? Nope, it's true. The first recorded recipe for apple pie dates back to England in the 14th century. But hey, Americans sure made it their own, adding that sweet cinnamon twist we all know and love. Now on to fact number 2. Ever heard of the iconic PB&J sandwich? Well, get this. It was originally considered a delicacy for the wealthy in the early 20th century, but thanks to its simplicity and deliciousness, it quickly became a staple in lunchboxes across America, proving that sometimes the best things in life are the simplest.
I hope you understand about this niche with that example video. Okay, now here is what you should do. First, you need to make a plan for the week. With this method, you can make at least 2 videos per day even if you are working, because it will only take around 30 minutes to make a video. So, 2 videos per day, you need to make a list of 14 video ideas for the next week. Okay, now let me show you how to create the video script for this. For this example video, my topic is 3 crazy facts about American foods. There are 2 methods to create a script. The first one is that you can Google these topics and find several articles related to them. Then, get all the necessary information from that and create your own script. Second method is to ask ChatGPT to generate a script. For this video, I will use the second method. Let's go to ChatGPT and ask like this. Create a video script for this topic. 3 crazy facts about American foods. This should be natural, and it should not sound like AI generated. Make it more simple to understand. Make this script more engaging and interesting. The duration should be around 1 minute. I think this script is good, but I will change it a little bit. We can add something like this. At the beginning, I will add a sentence like this. 3 crazy facts about American food that will blow your mind. This is a good hook. Just like this, you can create your video script. This is really simple. Now we need to generate voiceovers. Again, the voice we are going to use should not sound like an AI voice. That's why we need to select an ultra-realistic AI voice generator, where your viewers won't be able to say that this voice is AI generated. 11 Labs is one of the best and most realistic text-speech AI voice generators. There are a lot of AI voices in 11 Labs. You can even clone your voice with this. So, you don't have to worry about buying expensive equipment for voice recording. And most importantly, you can monetize your videos using this voices. You can sign up for free. It will give free 10,000 characters. Now, let's check several AI voices and select a suitable one for this video. If you click this Add Voice button and click Voice Library, you can get access to more voices. By selecting suitable keywords from this top menu, you can get voices related to each category, so I will select social media. Let's check this voice.
I'd rather regret the things that I have done than the things that I have not done.
I think we need a more deep and energetic voice. Let's try another one.
Before you put on a frown, make absolutely sure there are no smiles available.
This one is really good for this project. So, let's add it to the voice library. And now, we can use this AI voice. Go to Settings and select that voice. Then all you need to do is copy the script part by part and generate the voiceovers. Don't copy the whole script at once, copy it part by part to get a better quality AI voice. Just like this, create all the voiceovers and put them in a new folder. Let's find some background videos for this. We can use Pexel.com for that. It has copyright-free videos and images. You can simply download those, and it's free. For this video, let's download videos related to America, and we can download some videos related to food as well. So, download all the videos from this website related to your video topic. After that, we need to generate some images using Leonardo AI to match the video script. First, sign up to your Leonardo AI account. You don't need to buy the subscription for this. They will give 150 free credits every day. That's more than enough of 3 videos. So, let me explain how this works. So all these images are actually AI models. If you look carefully, each one of them has different characteristics. For this video, I would like to use images with vector and cartoon style. So, I think this will be good for the image generation process. Let's use it. Then, click Generate using this model. It will bring you to this page. These images are some of the images that I generated previously, just ignore them. You can change the size of the images using these dimensions. These specific numbers represent the number of artworks. In this case, let's select one generation at a time. Now I know that a lot of you guys are struggling to make good image prompts for Leonardo AI. There is an easier way to make that. I use ChatGPT to create prompts. Just go to ChatGPT, explain it to the image you want, and ask ChatGPT to generate a prompt for that. ChatGPT will generate you an amazing prompt. Let me show you how to do that. For the first image, I would like to create an image with various junk foods on a table. ChatGPT has created this specific prompt for that. Let's use it and see the result. Just copy this prompt and paste it on Leonardo AI. Yeah, this image is amazing. For the next image, I will go like this. Create a prompt for image generation. There is apple pie on a table, and on the wall there is an American flag. Let's copy this as well and generate the image. This is great. Just like this, create images for the whole script. Finally, we need background music. Funny and funky background music would be good for this video. You can download background music from pixabay.com. You can download any copyright-free background music and sound effects from this website for free. With that, we have all the material to make the final output. To edit all these, you can use either Adobe Premiere Pro or CapCut. For this example, let's use CapCut. It's a free video editor, and you can download it to your mobile or computer. After you download it, follow these steps. First, start a new project and select a suitable size for your video by clicking this Modify button. Select 9:16 ratio. Then you need to upload all the material that we created to this. Click this Import button and select all those voiceovers, music, and videos. First, you need to drag and drop the voiceovers to the timeline in the correct order. As you can see here, there are several silent parts in these voiceovers. We need to cut out all those parts. It's not good for our video. So, you can zoom these layers by increasing this bar. And then drag this bar to those silent places, and you need to click this button. It will cut that part. Then, just like this, remove those silent parts from the voiceovers. This will take several minutes. So carefully remove those unnecessary parts from the voiceovers. Then, add the background videos one after the other, and adjust the sizes. If you want, we can add some filters to this. Go to Filters from the top menu, and add suitable filter options. Then, all you need to do is add the images we generated to the correct places like this. Make sure to edit their size and place them in the same position. Now, we should add some sliding animation to these images. Go to Animations and add suitable animations like these. After that, we need to add captions. CapCut has a feature that can automatically generate captions. Go to the text and select Auto Captions. Then, select English as the language and generate. It will generate the caption within a few seconds. Then you can edit it in a suitable way. I will make the text size bigger and change its fonts as well. Edit these text in an interesting way. It's completely up to you. I would recommend using bold fonts and simple colors. Make sure that these captions stand out, so I will select this cool font. It's suitable for this niche. You can add any text effects for these captions from here. If you go to the effects from this top menu, you will find a lot of cool text effects. So I really like this specific effect, so I will select this one. Let's add some text animations as well. Select all the text layers and go to Animation. From here, you can add any cool animations for your text. I will add this animation. I think it's cool. Finally, add the background music to the timeline and edit its volume to match the voiceovers. With that, you can export the video. There is a simple hack you can do to get more engagement with this type of video, which is to start your video with a question. If you ask a question first, positioning a question will create curiosity and have your viewers wanting to know the answer, so they will watch the video without scrolling to the next one. This will increase your watch time and views. As an example, do it like this. Did you know about these crazy facts about American foods? If you start your video like this, it will help you to get more views. I hope you guys enjoy the video. I will see you in the next one.